everyone, I'm Camila. In this video, I want to show you my SEL class. Do you know what is SEL? SEL is social emotional learning. Let's check it out. So, in this class, we are divided into a group and we have to share and discuss about the topic that we get from the flashcard.
What's the purpose of SEL class? Okay, to learn about our emotional. Okay, are you ready? And we are going to use flashcards. So here there are some questions. So you have to ask. So this is first. I think it's okay. And this you have to take one person. Take one card. Okay. Okay, you can take another question.
Family and God.
Can you see? Just a little bit. Okay, good.
Study thematic.
Study thematic. Do you like thematic lesson? Yeah. Okay. One to be and one. If you could change any rule in our classroom or make a new rule, what would it be? Whose question is it? If I could change a rule, so can you tell me? Oh, master math. Okay. What is your favorite game? What is your favorite game? Whose questions is it? Afghan. Okay, Afghan, tell about Harun. Harun's like Apex Legend. You already know about your friends. You know each other better. Okay? So it's enough for today for our SEL class. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
What do you think? It's fun, isn't it? We know each other better now. Okay, that's all my SEL class today. See you later!